In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Splice subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've compiled a list of 3 different ways to cancel your subscription. So one's via the website, one's via email, and then one's contacting Splice support. Alright, so with the first method, so go to the official Splice website and make sure to log in. And then from there, click on your profile icon or your name in the top right corner and select account from the drop down menu. In the account settings, look for a section labeled subscriptions or billing, and then find the option to cancel your subscription and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your cancellation and provide a reason for it. The second method is via email. So what you can do is send a request to cancel your Stash subscription, or your Splice subscription, sorry, to support@splice.com with your request to cancel. Also include your account details for quicker processing. The third way is to contact Splice support. So if you encounter any issues or need assistance, go to the Splice Help Center, which is support.splice.com, and search for articles related to subscription cancellation. And if you can't find the information you need, you can submit a support request through the Help Center. And on a side note, be sure to cancel your next billing date. Be sure to cancel before your next billing date to avoid being charged for the next period. Review Splice's cancellation policy on their website to understand any potential fees or notice periods required for cancellation.